And this Valentine's Day, it may be time to make some of those life changes to create a bedroom that promotes love, passion, and connection. Feng shui expert Robyn Stephens is here to show us just how to do that. So this is something we were kind of chatting about.
Yep.
You might be sending inadvertent signs. This is not how my life wants to look.
Exactly.
And how do we actually do that, and how do we get rid of it?
How do we get rid of it? Well, I know this isn't fun, and I talk about it every time, but you have to start with a clean, clutter-free room.
Right.
The reality is that love and intimacy and communication cannot grow, sustain, and thrive in a dirty room. So you want to have a room that's calm and tranquil, that nurtures you, ourselves, and then ourselves as partners.
And it's like when you walk into that clutter-free house, it's also, you feel a lot more at ease, like you can talk to somebody, open up, and do all those things.
It's true.
Okay, and then when we're talking about artwork in our bedroom, what's some stuff that we would want to stay away from?
Okay, so the artwork on your walls needs to represent the things that you want in life, not the things that you don't want. Think like attracts like. So if you're a single woman and you want to be in a partnership, right, you don't want to surround yourself with images of single women, right? If you want to be in a relationship, then think about what you want. You want connectedness. You want to be a couple. You want love. So some great images that will support that are, think images of lovebirds. And you can never go wrong with hearts. Hearts are wonderful.
Hearts.
Yeah, easy stuff.
Is there anything you would recommend that would promote partnership in the form of artwork?
I think anything that represents a couple, a pair. I think you can't go wrong in that regard, whether it's a pair of, like I said, lovebirds, flowers, anything.
Okay, and then what about wedding pictures? So you can see there are a couple photos right here. The couple maybe looks a little bit different. Is the wedding photo still okay for the bedroom?
You know, often when I go into clients' homes, it's not unusual for the only couple, or the only picture of the couple to be in the house is their wedding picture that's 10, 20, 30 years old, which is great. It represents a happy day in your past, but it's your past and it needs to, we don't want to get stuck in the past. We really want to be all about current day, the present time. So make sure that you have a really lovely picture of you and your honey, something that makes you happy when you look at it.
Okay, yeah, getting those smiling, those good vibes going. What about the books? You know, this one looks a little hefty.
It's a little hefty. I could do a whole segment just on book titles and how amused I am when I go to people's rooms. But
this is hilarious.
It's hilarious. First of all, your bedroom is not a library. It's not where books should go to die. And if I am wiping dust off your book, it's a problem. So, again, the like attracts like. You know, the worst case handbook, whatever this is, probably not the best thing for your bedroom. A common theme today has been love languages. This is a great thing to have in your bedroom. It promotes communication, understanding one another. If you want to bring a little spice in your room, there's some lovely books regarding Kama Sutra and things like that that I'm sure Kristen, our sex expert, would love. So yeah, be conscious of what you're bringing in.
Okay, so we really want to promote that passion even with our book titles.
Yes.
We've also got some rocks over here. They're kind of the elephant in the room.
I know.
You kind of want to rub this one for good luck, probably.
And you can, and I do. This is called rose quartz, and it's also known as the love stone. And it's a wonderful way to visually just represent love in your space, any space. And it's, if you can set your intentions that you're either calling love to you or you're anchoring the love that you already have. And the great thing is, look, you can get it in little hearts.
Oh, that's perfect. You could almost carry it around with you on the day, on as a day-to-day reminder. Okay, well, thank you so much, Robyn. And if anybody does have the complete worst-case scenario survival handbook at home, that probably belongs in a museum with the Boy Scouts.
Yes, perfect.
Thank you so much.